1.0 introduced the Man-Portable Aircraft Survivability Trainer, Mast, Weapons Effect Signature Simulator, WESS. The Man-Portable Aircraft Survivability Trainer, Mast, is an opposing force, OPFOR, Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPADS, live training device primarily used to train aircrews to react to surface-to-air missile, SAM, threats during live training exercises. The Weapons Effect Signature Simulator, WESS, is a pyrotechnic device designed to simulate the visual and audio signature of a MANPADS to accompany the electronic signature simulation created by the Mast. This job performance aid will provide an introduction and theory of operation for both the Mast and the WESS. This TLO will contain the following ELOs. Define the purpose of the Mast WESS. Identify the characteristics, capabilities, and theory of operation. Define the purpose of the Mast WESS. The Mast and WESS are OPFOR MANPADS training devices primarily used to train aircrews to react to surface-to-air SAM threats during live training exercises. The Mast simulates the SAM engagement sequence. The WESS supports the Mast by providing realistic pyrotechnic audio and visual signature of a MANPADS launch. Identify the Mast-WESS characteristics. The Mast assembly weighs approximately 34 pounds with the battery installed. It is stored and transported inside of a transit case weighing approximately 140 pounds when loaded. The Mast assembly characteristics are a thermal imager which provides thermal sensitive images and magnification, a computer which controls all Mast operations and performs Mast computational functions, an aircraft survivability equipment ASE stimulus unit which creates a UV threat signature, a compact Miles laser, which transmits miss, kill, player ID, and simulates a beam rider weapon, a control grip, which serves as the operator's control device during Mast operations, a battery compartment, which houses a 12-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery, a microphone, which records ambient sounds near the Mast, an SVGA display, which displays the Mast computer information and status. The WESS characteristics are a WESS backpack, 2 WESS magazine tubes, an RS-485 cable and a trigger cable adapter, a WESS platform, and a removable magazine that holds up to 2 M176 simulators. Identify the Mast-WESS capabilities. The capabilities of the Mast are: the Mast has a minimum operating range of 500 meters, a maximum range of 5 kilometers. It produces an ultraviolet UV firing signature. It fires a Miles laser that transmits coded miss or kill messages and player ID data. The Mast has 5 operating modes: UV only, semi-automatic, camcorder, custom, and collective. This JPA will only cover the use of the Mast in collective mode. A thermal imager display provides magnification. The Mast can record engagements and local ambient sounds via the microphone. The Mast operational time is 6 continuous hours. The capabilities of the WESS are: the WESS is operated by using a trigger box and 20-meter cable and launches 2 M176 simulators to an altitude of 550 feet plus or minus 50 feet before being reloaded. The M176 simulator creates a continuous 8-second cloud of concentrated smoke for realism. Identify the Mast-WESS theory of operation. The Mast emulates the engagement of a tactical OPFOR MANPADS weapon, including target acquisition, launch, and reload time. When fired, the Mast produces UV stimulus or simulates a beam rider threat and fires a Miles laser. The WESS supports the Mast as part of a training exercise. When the WESS is fired, it produces a realistic pyrotechnic audio and visual signature of a MANPAD launch with a continuous cloud and concentrated smoke trail resembling a surface-to-air missile, SAM.